Hello everyone, this is Aditya and today we are going to solve another problem of the day and our question is relative ranks. Today 8th of May 2024 and this question is of array and EG. So the question is we have given array of score and they are their marks. We have to firstly make the place the athlete basis on their rank. If the if someone has highest mark, we have to assign medal. If the place is second, silver, and third, bronze for third. And later, after from fourth to nth, we have to assign their rank directly by number. Means if second is fourth and first is fifth. There so I am directly using sort algorithm. Did not know about this function. I really take help for this. I am directly using dot sort function, but it was not working. So it is sorted function and comma reverse equal to true. So I initialize a new list by taking out new array, and I sorted the score using this sorted function and reverse equal to true. Firstly, I I have done sorry for this. Firstly, I have sorted the score, and for each element in score, I have checked for the score. If I in score, I mean the suppose I will take this example. If score 10, if 10 inch the sorted score 0 mean it is the topmost or the largest element in the sorted score, we will append output gold medal in output. Say suppose is it the second largest element mean 9. If 9 came, then it will append silver medal or bronze medal. If the element which came is in the rank between 4 to n, we can directly append string dot sorted index I plus 1. This means we can finding the index of sorted and incremented it by 1. Mean if we can find the string of the sorted which rank it is coming, and the indexing start from 0, so we are appending 1, and we are outputting out element. So I am going to run this for you, and the solution is correct. Thank you for your listening.